How is this bloody weather? After a month of bushfires, now we get torrential rain, and we don't even know when it's going to stop. I tell you what, if this ain't global warming, I don't know what is. This rain is really starting to green things up again, and everything's coming back to life out here. But with that water on the ground, I'm not about to start building anytime soon. So while I'm doing nothing, Home Show have asked me to head up to Brisbane again and help run EcoTown, because really we all need to know more about eco building, how to live a more sustainable life, and anything that's going to help out the planet. Otherwise, things like this are going to continue to happen. Anyway, let me inside. It's bloody wet out here, and I'll tell you more about it. Perfect. It's a bit drier in here. What are we talking about? EcoTown. It's part of the Brisbane Home Show. It's on at the end of this month. Tickets are free, but you do need to register online, so there's a link in my bio. If you're thinking anything, relocatable homes, going solar, or even a drought-tolerant garden, not that I need one anytime soon, that's where you're going to find the info for it. There's a stage, I'll be up there telling a few stories, having a bit of a laugh. And really, if you're someone that cares about the environment and just doesn't know where to start, this is where you're going to get your information from. So come along, catch up with me, let's have a bloody good time.